everyone, it's Leigh here. Welcome back to my channel. Going to do another 10-minute collage challenge. So this is an open challenge hosted by Woolly Steph, so I'll link her channel in my description box. So if you want to have a go at this one, thoroughly recommend it. It's so much fun. So you have 10 minutes, so to speak, to make yourself a collage. Doesn't matter if you go over the 10 minutes, of course. I have my little book here, which is just a little quick book that I slapped up. There's a link in my video description on how I made the book, and it's just, I just used a masterboard, and my signature is held in by hat elastic. So I find it easier to actually work with the page out of the book. So that's the beauty of the hat elastic, is I can just take it out, pop the rest of it to the side. That was the last one I did. So I'm going to be working on this page here. So bottom piece. If you've been following me on this challenge, you know that I've been just using Daphne's Diary magazine images. So I have an old Daphne's Diary that I'm trying to get rid of, so to speak. Use it all up. This is pretty much all that's left of it, so we're getting a bit near the dregs of it now. So I'm going to start my timer and see what I can come up with. The first thing I generally like to do is to actually cover the page in something to use as a background. So I usually go for something that's a bit neutral, like just writing. I know that page is covered in writing, but I'm looking to stabilise the paper by giving it a covering of another paper. I didn't start the timer. Okay, so I've got myself a couple of seconds spare up my sleeve, so to speak. Okay. And I do, of course, have a stack of Daphne's diaries to use once this one's finished. If I decide to keep using this magazine, I might go to a different one. I have a pile of National Geographics as well. So let's see how we go. I like to have some big words that stand out a bit in the background. Just I think they make a nice little bit of impact there. Now if you want to see what everybody else is doing, just have a look at the hashtag, which is this here. Yeah, 10-minute collage, and you'll be able to see the videos that everyone who's been doing the challenge has put up. Okay, so some nice big words here. I'm going to trim off the bits that are hanging over the page, in case you're wondering. Okay, so I've got a background done, and the word garden is in there, so I'm thinking that I'll look for some images for things to do with the garden. Try to come up with some sort of design. I like the bird, but it's a bit dull. I like this bit of paper. It's got looks like an old estate on there. Structured gardens, so I'm going to pop a bit of that down. This is here. You can use scissors. You don't have to tear everything. I just like tearing. I find it relaxing, and I like the serendipity of the shapes that you get. You know, sometimes a nice jaggedy edge is exactly what is required. Okay, nothing there. So I do have this poster. Images are a little bit big, but I might be able to use some of this leaf. We'll use scissors to cut some of it out. Do I go the black one or the green one? I think the black one. To try and cut it so I can trail it around the lady there. I've decided that I want to try and sort of keep her as a bit of a focal image. I'm just roughly cutting these out. So we can cut them apart if it's too long. And oh, we've just got 5 minutes to go. It went fast. I like with this challenge, the extra challenge that I've put on myself to only use specific images, or as get them from a specific place. So I really like having to think on the fly or create on the fly, and I've been quite surprised with how I've been able to come up with something that is quite reasonable and pleasing in the 10 minutes. But as I said, you don't have to limit yourself to the 10 minutes. You can go longer if you like. So I'm thinking get that around there. Whatever it takes. But I think I work better under pressure. I'm going to put that bit there, or maybe here. Over here, I think. Oops. Okay, and what else could I put in there? Need to make up my mind in a hurry. Maybe some more words. No, it doesn't make any sense. Maybe a little house. I wonder if I can get that up. that much, just there, that'll do. I'm going to trim those edges. Stabilo pencil, just going to do a little bit of mark making and edging, more edging than anything. Stop. Dismiss. That's it. Okay, we nearly made it to the 10 minutes. Pretty close. All I want to do is just add some gold splatters on here. So I've got watercolour. That's Stabilo pencil around the outside. And I think that'll complete it quite nicely. So not quite 10 minutes, but not far over. And that's what I've come up with. And I might even put some more marks and things on it once I turn the camera off. I'm not sure. But that's what I've come up with. As I said, have a look at the hashtag 10-minute collage. Lots of fun. Great challenge. And check out everybody else's work. And in the meantime, happy crafting. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again soon in another video. Oh, and if you want to check out my Halloween fabric book, there's a link for that in my video description box as well. Rightio. All the best. Thanks for watching. Cheers from Australia. Hooroo.